What's up guys, it's Leroy with Happy Trailers. Behind me here I've got an FMAX216 from Diamond Sea Trailers. This is actually our very first trailer that we ordered since we partnered up with Diamond Sea Trailers. Kind of special to us, so I wanted to show it to you. So this trailer is 44 foot long. The FMAX216 does mean that it has the 16,000 pound axles. This is a 40,000 pound rated trailer. We'll just start at the front and kind of work our way around. Here in the front you've got the BX1 40,000 pound coupler, adjustable coupler of course. Also just have to show these off. 1/2 inch safety chains. These are big, dude. Of course, 7-way wire harness. So your spare tire is no longer up inside the neck here. It's actually undermounted. And here inside the toolbox, you'll see the tool to bring down the spare tire. Very similar to like a spare tire underneath the pickup. Also in this front toolbox, you'll see an integrated chain rack. We optioned out this trailer with the 2-speed heavy-duty Jost jacks. These jacks are rated at 25,000 pounds per jack. Am I correct in that? I hope. Something like that. We're going to jump up on the trailer real quick. Nice retractable step. Here up in the neck, you're going to see a chain rack that's also integrated to be a winch plate. You've got the holes down here underneath it, so it's ready for a winch if you were to add a winch here up in between the risers. And then it also has the integrated receiver tube here underneath it. So if you have a winch that is mounted on a receiver that's easily removable, you can just throw it in right there. But as you can see, it's integrated and ready to go for winch installation if needed. All right, moving on. Here on the driver's side, you've got a toolbox here. This is gonna be the 4 foot long toolbox. And you'll also see the slide track with 11 straps going down the side of the trailer. And here you'll see a baby toolbox. This box is specifically for the brake actuator. This does have 16,000 pound axles, but with electric over hydraulic disc brakes. That's a game changer. You'll see another integrated step along with the turn signal about halfway down the trailer. This also has the optional 17.5 inch aluminum outer wheels. This trailer is equipped with the Hutch heavy duty suspension. And before I forget to mention it, this has a massive 16 inch engineered I-beam frame. You can see right here in front of the axles that it begins to squeeze up in there. This engineered beam technology is pretty great. Moving along to the back, this one is equipped with the max ramps. And if you ever need to put the ramp in the stand-up position, say if your equipment comes back too far and you can't quite flip the ramp back over, we do have a ramp holder that's integrated right here, tucked up out of the way. So you can put the ramp holder right here and put the ramp in the stand-up position. I want to point out the engineered beam and the positive camber that the trailer has from an empty stance anyway. If you put the camera here, you'll see that the trailer has got this little hump to it. That allows for weight to be transferred to the point where the trailer is going to be at a level stance instead of kind of banana as you see a lot of other trailers. It's another huge advantage to the engineered I-beam. Here on the passenger side, you can see the integrated wood rack that's optional on this trailer as well. This is 8 foot long, and as you can see, it's huge. There's room for so much dunnage in there. So this trailer has a GVWR of 40,000 pounds, and it weighs in empty at 10,250 pounds. So you have a remaining payload of 29,750 pounds. This thing has a very impressive payload. This one was actually a custom order that we did for one of our customers. If you're ever looking to do the same thing, we would be happy to help you custom order a trailer that fits you perfectly. Or come check out one of our lots. We might have something very similar on the lot right now too. Check us out anytime at happytrailers.com.